Asinivusele Maswati Lamahle, lokhuluma ngoNkhulile Thwala, Times of Eswatini reporter. Namhla sisenhlangano eBethesda eSomveni, lapho khona Takhamuti, bosomabhizinisi netinyunyana tihlangene nenkampani yagesi i-EEC kukhulumisa indzaba yekunyuka kwentengo yagesi.
To cover my expenses and that is not a healthy position that we are in. My import costs are high and there was a significant under recovery kulo mnyaka wa 2024-25 and then logo kusibita ukuthi sicela the average at 20% to increase as opposed to 7% to cover the costs. Less now by 2026-2027 and my fixed charges will remain with a projected increase of 4.86%. They are very ivunywe ngomlawuli.
Sinathi nje sikhulile sesathatha emhlala phansi asingeke vele zesikhona inkosi yami ngicela emadvolo nje nanethi nangabe vele kuchubeka kuba nje ngoba kwakona lokho lesikuthola kwemafasteleni does not sustain us. Uma konke lesithi siyakhangekhangeta ukutsalela then angachamu kanjani igesi.
The lowest hanging fruit for us as a country vele lelahle kube nje umhlungwane bekathi tonke leti lama projections are towards fully establishing vele le coal-fired power station.
Go esera na SEC ngoba niyabonakala ukuthi anikhoni kusebenza ezikhampani. Why ningacele ma-subventions kuhulumende njengoba ngishilo I'm one of the workers in this country siyawukhipha umthelo hulumende amanansite kunama project lenawo
inga lenkulu ithi kwayena lo gesi kwamanje kune fixed price nje ya lo 3 phase usishaya singathi uthi sibheka sabonga ke ngalela langa inkosi ithi akumane kungabi khona lemakhaya but still ukwelakho iqembu lakho na kufanele khona ubuke lokhola kwalabantu bese ucompetition nalokukhula kwalogesi uyabona because now ungaphike ukuthi nje uteke ithi utocela sesibabathethi nesifile uthi khona lapho ekufeni kwenu ngizocela
Silana nababe Makhanya lo tosichazela yena ukuthi uva kanjani njengoba iEC na Esera betelana batawuletha iproposal yekuthi why bafune kunyuka gesi. Utasichazela nje babe Makhanya ukuthi yena as a normal citizen la kaNgwane imvo yakhe ithini ngalo lokwenteka namuhla la Bethesda.
Siku emkondweni wethu nje kubuye ukuthi ingonyame kuyaba na president wase Mozambique. Sezwe ngathi kune invitation lapho ukuthi bavula izandla ukuthi gesi asekuthole kubo. Lesinenkolelo ukuthi Mozambique imali yayo iphasanyana. Nako sinika ukuthi sithola gesi eSouth Africa sibe nokuthi kuzaba nama option. So ukuthi sakunothi sithole gesi labamthengile bayosebenzisa bese bawudayisela thina yini singawuthathi direct from Mozambique. So inkolelo yethu ibe nokuthi laba semagesini vele bayasekhaya.
Sesivile ngetizatfu letibekwe ikampani yagesi i-EEC ngekwenyusa intengo la kaNgwane. Liningi leMaswati belikhona eBethesda namuhla alikakwemukeli kahle lokho. Read more in tomorrow's publication.